Introduction, the automation leap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Up until now, we've talked about getting used to Claude smoothly, setting up your workspace, managing chat context, and picking the right models. But today, we are leaving the basics behind. We are talking about the true advanced weapons in Claude's ecosystem. This is the exact moment where your efficiency undergoes a massive qualitative change. We are moving past simply asking questions and getting answers. This is about making Claude execute your actual job for you. Let's break down the 4 advanced features that turn Claude into an autonomous productivity engine. Feature 1, Cowork, Autonomous Background Action. First up is Cowork. You can think of Cowork as Claude's action mode. It doesn't just sit there waiting for you to chat, it runs automated tasks silently in the background while you focus on other work. Instead of just answering a question, Cowork takes your documents, follows an established procedural pipeline, and executes the results. This is absolutely perfect for 3 things. First, highly repetitive processes like compiling weekly status reports, organizing raw data, or tracking project progress. Second, heavy tasks that span multiple files, where you need to summarize, compare, and generate comprehensive deliverables. And third, any tedious, manual data shuffling that you simply don't want to do yourself. You give Cowork the roadmap, and it delivers the final product while you grab a coffee. Feature 2, Claude Code, Next Level Engineering. Next, for the developers and engineers watching, we have Claude Code. Look, we all know Claude can write code blocks. But Claude Code goes way beyond just spitting out isolated snippets. Its software engineering logic is truly top-notch. It doesn't just hand you a script, it actively helps you debug systemic errors, gets your local environment running smoothly, and refactors your architecture to eliminate bottlenecks. For programmers, this is a literal once you experience it, you can never go back shift. It acts less like an autocomplete bar and more like a brilliant principal engineer pairing up with you on your repository. Feature 3, Skills, One-click prompt automation. Feature number 3 is Skills. If you find yourself repeatedly writing out the same long, complex prompt every single day, you are burning valuable time. Skills allows you to save those high-frequency prompts into permanent, one-click buttons. For example, say you need to perform a deep analytical review on financial tables every afternoon. Previously, you would copy and paste a massive prompt over and over. Now, you can build a custom table analysis skill that triggers with a single line of code or a single click. And here's the most truthless part, you can even have Claude write your skills for you. You can simply say, Claude, build a custom skill for me. After I input a raw spreadsheet form, automatically perform anomaly detection, summarize the key trends, provide 3 strategic action suggestions, and output the entire thing in our fixed company format. Once built, that entire multi-step process becomes automated asset. Feature 4, Plugins, Building Virtual Job Roles. Finally, we reach the ultimate level of automation, plugins. If a skill is a specific process, a plugin is a complete corporate role. A plugin allows you to package multiple complex skills together into a distinct job title. By configuring a plugin, you can create dedicated, virtual team members within Claude, such as an expert content editor, a financial analysis assistant, an initial legal screening bot, or a dedicated market researcher. You don't guide them step by step. You simply hand this virtual assistant your overarching business objectives, and because it has all the underlying skills and rules pre-packaged, it executes and delivers the outcome accordingly. Outro and action step. This is how top professionals are scaling their output. They aren't typing faster, they are building automated systems. Turn your daily tasks into skills, combine those skills into plugins, and let Claude run your workflows on autopilot. What is the most boring, repetitive task in your calendar this week that you want to automate using Claude Skills or Cowork? Let me know in the comments below, and let's build a workflow for it. Hit that like button, subscribe to stay ahead of the AI curve, and I'll see you in the next advanced tutorial.